Hello to everyone. Welcome to lesson number 3, Shapefile in database from Weda GIS and Marketing. We start from definitions. Number 1, Shapefile is a type of geographic data that has SHP format and include spatial information in form of point, line, and polygon. In the picture name type, point shapefile, line and polygon. What is database? Is a set of future data set, also called geographic data bank, and has two types: file geodatabase GDB, personal geodatabase MDB. In the picture, this is a symbol of our geodatabase, including table, topology or topography, evaluation, raster, points, line, and polygon. Okay, it's a personal geodatabase. Its format is MDB. Its data is point, light, and polygon. What is future data set? Is a set of future class. And actually is the second part of database. In this part of database, we determine coordinate system and map projection. What is future class? Is a set of future and spatial data about geographic phenomenon. The difference between two types of geodatabase can be summarized in the following ways. The speed or performance of future classes in file geodatabase is much faster and better than personal geodatabase. In file geodatabase, a future class can be up to 1 terabyte in size and can be update, upgrade, or increase the amount of memory. While in personal geodatabase, a future class cannot be larger than 2 GB or gigabyte and cannot increase the memory size. File geodatabase format is GDB, but personal geodatabase format is MDB. Note: if you do not have information about both of type of database, use from file geodatabase. Difference between shapefile and database. Number 1. In terms of security, spatial data file is separated in shapefiles format. If one of these files will be delayed or take virus, spatial data destroyed, while in database format, the spatial data or future class saved in one Access folder or file. Number two, another difference between shapefile and database is that shapefile has some limitations. For example, shapefile does not accept some fonts, but database accept all types of fonts, including Dari and Persian fonts or Arabic fonts. Number two, another important difference between shapefile and database is this, which we can save only one kind of spatial data in a shapefile, and we need to create separated spatial shapefile for our three kinds of data like point, line, and polygon. Okay, what is coordinate system? Is the intersection of latitude and longitude. By its help, we can find the exact and authentic location of a geographic phenomenon in map and in the area. In the next lesson, we will start how to create shapefile and database in our catalog. I hope you learned something from this tutorial video, and do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.